How to use Cash App on PrizePicks. Now I understand what your issue is all about, right? You've been trying to use Cash App for your PrizePicks instead of PayPal. Maybe you want to withdraw to your Cash App account, or maybe you want to deposit funds using a Cash App account, because Cash App is obviously much more common in the US, and that is why you might be wanting to do that. Now if we look at the official help section of PrizePicks, they can say that we can only connect up to 2 credit cards, 1 bank account and 1 PayPal account to your PrizePicks account, and there isn't any of the mention of the Cash App account, which means at this time of this video being made, there isn't currently any way that you can integrate Cash App with your PrizePicks account. You might want to transfer one way or the other, but what we can do is there is a medium in between, and that would be our bank account. So if you want to transfer from Cash App to PrizePicks or vice versa, first you transfer to your bank account, and from bank account you deposit to your Cash App. Similarly for PrizePicks as well, you can withdraw from PrizePicks to bank account, and from bank account you can deposit to Cash App in both similar fashion, but there is not a direct way for these both applications to work currently at this time directly with each other. Hopefully in the future they might come up with an update where they might allow us to do this, but until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.